there everybody, I'm Omar Jaramillo, and today I'll be showing you my delicious 2-ingredient tortilla recipe. These can be made easily at home from 2 simple ingredients that we have with us here today. I hope you enjoy making these, and let's get started. Today's tortillas will be made using a large bowl, a mixing spatula, a regular spatula, a 1-cup measuring cup, a box of aluminum foil, and a 10-inch medium-sized pan. And the best part about this recipe is the only 2 ingredients you'll need today are self-rising flour and plain non-fat Greek yogurt. In your large bowl, add 1 heaping cup of flour. On top of the flour, add 1 cup of Greek yogurt. You may need a spoon to help you out. Take your mixing spoon and mix the flour with the Greek yogurt. Notice the flaky consistency of the dough and how the Greek yogurt and flour are still only partially mixed. Keep mixing and you'll be right on your way to making the perfect dough. Now the consistency of the dough should be pretty regular throughout. The Greek yogurt and flour should be fully mixed, meaning you can take that dough with your hands, gently massage it, and sprinkle flour in the bottom and the top of the bowl to get it ready to be put in the fridge. Place foil or cling wrap over the top and let it sit in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. After taking your dough from the fridge, you can spread flour over the countertop or dough board that you are using. You can then take a chunk of golf ball sized or bigger dough and then roll that dough into a ball. Take that dough ball, flatten it out on the countertop using your hands, and continue to use your hands to turn it into a tortilla. Go ahead and take a look at your tortilla now and ensure that you have the recommended 1/8 of an inch thickness or whatever desired thickness that you would like. If the tortilla looks good, then you can put it on the stove. In the event that you accidentally tear a hole in your tortilla, I can show you how to fix that. Take the tortilla that has a hole, grab the 2 ends and pinch over the hole and start pressing down to close it. Flip it over and do the same for both sides and add a little flour if need be. That should fix your hole in the tortilla. You can now take the tortilla you've made and put it on a pan that has medium heat. After about 1 to 2 minutes, you can go ahead and flip the tortilla and do the same for the other side. Once that tortilla is ready, you can take it off and prepare to eat it. Hello again everyone. We're back after the video and thank you for sticking around till the end. I hope you enjoyed making these tortillas with me just as much as I did. Cheers.